Right guys, I've been asked to have a look at a Vaillant here. On this Vaillant I've got a Vaillant here in the code of F27. So I'm going to look into that and to get a diagnose it, hopefully read it. According to this book here, F27 radar, safety switch, cut off, flame simulation. What the hell does that mean? Moisture on the electric flame monitored defective. Gas solenoid valve. You know what? I think the gas was effed. Okay, right. Let's press the reset and let's find out what's going on with it. But before I do that, the gas is open here. The gas is open. Yeah, that'll be the next project. But it looks like the gas valve is gone. No, Janji. And most likely it's not that. That's only happened to me once, you see. Come on then, dude. Try the top for me. Is that top there? No, it's fine. It's fine. It looks like a circuit board. So it's sparking. I'm going through the process. So come with the gas valve. Could be the gas valve. Okay guys, I'm gonna reset it. I'm just got my manometer on it. Where's it on? 20 millibars. If it's passing right, it's gonna go down. If it's firing up, it should still go up. That way I'll know if the gas valve is opening or not. So there it is. I'm going to connect it to the gas valve. Still there. And it's not passing either. So if you give it about 2 minutes, we'll find out.
Can I go?
Yeah. Sorry.
Thank you.
So this time we're going for AC. She's not stable. Hello? Yeah, hold on, mate. Hold on. So anyway, the conclusion was we're gonna have to change the circuit board on this. Right. You know we're gonna have to choose a circuit there. Okay. The power, can you just switch the power on? Where's the power on this? Yeah. Right. Just in case we Right. Oh, we still have to do some welding, don't we? Flat screwdriver. Take a picture. recording, you know. Oh. Room start. These are so easy to change, don't they? Yeah. That's basically.
हेलो इधर का कम उधर से कम ये बारिश में भीग रहा है अंदर ले लो
Season. Do I make look things easy? One or the other. Which one is it? You're a shit engineer. You know you're a shit engineer. Don't know how you. Okay.
got this far
Whoa, what's happening? No F27. Hey guys, it's all fired up. 27, F27, yeah. All it was giving, I don't know, the fan was just coming on, that's it, just going off. No ignition process, no nothing, just the fan was on. So it's all working fine now. Easy repair. Guys, we changed the board on that. This is the board. We changed the board on that. It's all working fine. Seating and the hot water. So it's all good. So guys, it's all working fine now. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix.
hot water's good